Hey, have you ever thought about making money online? Yeah, I've heard about it. Some people seem to be doing really well with it. How do you even start? Well, there are various ways. Some people start with freelancing, offering their skills on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Freelancing, huh? What kind of skills are in demand? Almost anything, really. Writing, graphic design, programming, digital marketing, you name it. It's all about finding something you're good at and offering your services. That sounds interesting. But what if I don't have a specific skill to offer? No worries. There's also affiliate marketing. You promote other people's products, and when someone buys through your unique link, you get a commission. That sounds more like my style. Where do you find these products to promote? There are affiliate programs for almost everything. Amazon has a popular one, and there are platforms like ClickBank and ShareASale where you can find a wide range of products. Nice. How about something more passive? I've heard about people making money through blogging or YouTube. Absolutely. Starting a blog or a YouTube channel is a great way to share your interests or expertise. Once you build an audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, or even selling your products. That sounds like a long-term game. Is there anything that brings in quick cash? Well, some people do well with online surveys, but it's not a consistent income. Others explore dropshipping or print on demand, where you sell products without dealing with inventory. Interesting. What's the catch? There must be some challenges, right? Of course. It takes time and effort to see results. Plus, there are scams out there, so you need to be careful. It's not a guaranteed way to get rich quick, but with persistence, it can be rewarding. Got it. I'll do some research and see what suits me. Thanks for the info. No problem. Good luck, and let me know if you need any more tips.